it is BrandyChanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from makeup to you to fashion to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be talking about a headband wig, honey, okay? YWigs Ashley unit. Let me give you some of the deets really quick. Ashley is a kinky curly human hair headband wig. Currently is $161 for the 18-inch, which I have, and it's 150% density. I tried two other headband wigs from two different companies, one from Amazon, trash, and the other one from a company that I usually buy my wigs from, trash, okay? This headband, which I feel like I never saw a good view of the actual cap on the headband wig. So if you're looking for a headband wig and you need if you have a lot of hair or you're not really sure if your head size will fit, I'm about a 22.5 head size because I have so much hair under here. So I was looking for a stretchy headband cap, which this one absolutely has. And I have my hair in half braids, half twists under here. So I'm not really sure about the actual headband and how the Velcro would work. But I found this unit was the best. It stretches, because the first one that I purchased from a different company, the headband itself was not very stretchy, and the Velcro was really scratchy. The Velcro on this one is, you know, it's Velcro, but it's more of a softer Velcro, and it's very rare that your hair will get caught, but sis, be careful. Another thing, let me go over all the specs for you. So again, this is 18 inches. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. I'm gonna show you the unit here straight out of the box. 3 combs, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, and then 1 in the back. So 4 total, but 3 in the front, 1 in the back. Typically I don't wear these 3 in the front unless I feel like maybe the wind will blow or something, but I have it's moving right now because I don't have the combs in, but I do try to keep the comb in the back. And actually combed out the hair. I did do a lot of finger combing, but I didn't use an actual comb because I saw a couple other videos of ladies that used an actual comb, but I like the way this texture looks, where it's kind of like I pulled it out, so it has a little frizz but not completely removing the texture. But when you do wash it, with obviously a lot longer because it's wet, but the curls do pop back if you do happen to kind of pick it out too much. Just wet it back with water, or if you do a water conditioner combination. And then I'll show you kind of what comes in the box here, and I'm going to show you the 2 headbands they sent me. I'll try those on for you shortly. This is my hair here, my natural hair. You can see my actual hair versus the headband hair and how similar they look. This looks so natural, just like my natural hair. And I'll show you a clip here of my natural hair out in the front. I did a braid out, and I used like my regular leave-in conditioner, and then I put some of that wet line gel on top of it so it would shrink up and also hold that braided kind of pattern, and it looks very similar to this texture. So I can do leave out in the front so I can wear other headbands, because to me I feel like it's too much on my head. It doesn't give me a headache, but it's just too much with this headband and then another headband on top of it. It's just too much. So if I want to wear like one of these headbands, I'll just wear, either I'll just tuck it under or I'll wear my own hair out. So I am 5'4", and I feel like I have an average size neck. So this is kind of how it looks. It's like I said, I finger picked it out a little bit. It's really thick, but I feel like it's not too thick. It doesn't look wiggy. It looks super natural. It looks like if I were to stretch my hair out, how my hair would look. Back, I'm going to show you under here. I hope you guys can see. This is the band of the headband here. It's not attached. It's attached till about right here. Am I still recording? Yeah. So it's attached to about right here on the side, and then you can probably see my wig cap there. But I just wanted to show that to you guys and how it's super soft. The little tab here is a little square, and then the other side is a long rectangle. My hair does not get snagged on this side, so that's also something that I like. I haven't tried to wear it in a ponytail, but you can definitely get tons of styles out of this. I like to do it like this. I'm gonna show you guys really quick. I don't know if I showed you on camera how I did it, but just go like that. I just tuck the headband in so I can wear additional headbands or leave my hair out. But like I said, I prefer to just wear it straight. And last but not least, they sent these 2 headbands. I would definitely wear both of these. Obviously, I'm more drawn to this animal print one. It's kind of like a cottonish material. It's pretty thick in the back. And you could probably wear it this way as well as this way. Or this is just the thinner one, which I feel like will not be good if you're trying to put your hair up. But for this one, if you're trying to put your hair up, you can. Also, if you guys have not checked out my video already, I do have a headband by a black-owned business called The Wrap Life. I'll leave the iCard above, and I'll leave it at the end of this video if you want to go check that out. Again, the style is Ashley. The unit's 18 inches. I'm purchasing from YWigs, and I will definitely purchase from them again. So if you guys are looking for a hassle-free, no-lace wig, girl, definitely check out the YWigs headband wigs. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!